Zoom session, Grade 8, Activity 3.9. Okay, children, what can you see in the screen? Yes, it's a shadow. The shadow can be seen, right? Rather than that, there is a bed also. Okay, if I ask this sort of a small question, which time you can see a shadow? Yes, when you are in the bed for late 12 noon, you can see the shadow. Early in the morning, can you see shadow? No. Okay, we'll see. Okay, children. Yes. If I ask this sort of a question, is this boy, is he a lazy person or a studious boy? Yes, he's a lazy person. Okay, children, we will move to the text now. We'll see what it is. Yes, you can see the poem My Shadow. Right, we'll see. Yes, what can you see in the picture? The boy is there and also his shadow is there. Okay, first I'll recite the poem My Shadow by R.L. Stevenson. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jumped into my bed. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Okay, so in this app, you are willingly to read it like, in this Read to Me app, this Read to Me app, you can see, you can play it and see what it is. So it's very useful one. We'll see from the beginning. I'm going to explain what it is. Okay, we'll see. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. What do you mean by shadow? Can you please tell me what it is? Shadow? You can see even it. Yes. In Sinhala, what is? What is it? Yes, 7L. Yes. So you can see shadow. Everybody is having a shadow. That is, of course, you have to admit. But the problem is when we can see the shadow. Is it morning or in the afternoon or what it is? Okay. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Whenever this small boy, whenever he's going here and there, the shadow also is with him. So it's a big problem to this person. Actually, if somebody is going behind you, is it a problem for you? Yes, sure, it's a problem, right? Okay. And what can be the use of feet? So this person, this boy is questioning, what is the use of this shadow? He is asking questions from us. Is more than I can see. Only my shadow is there, always with him. He is very, very like me. Is he same person or something else? No, this person is same. Actually, the shadow is same, right? That is, of course, everybody knows. From the heels up to the head. What do you mean by heels? We'll see the picture dictionary and see what it is. Yes, you can see here in this picture, you can see the leg is there and the shoe is there. See the heel, very small one, right? So when you compare with the heels where the ladies put, you know what heels are. It's you, right? So heels means somewhat in Sinhala, adiya. Okay. So the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me. What has happened? This shadow is jumping also when I jump into my bed. So see, if you can see a shadow when you jump into the bed, I'm going to ask you a small question. What can you say about this boy? Is this boy a studious one or a very lethargic or lazy person? What's your answer? Yes, surely this person is very lazy. Oh, this boy is very lazy. Are your mother is telling you to be lazy or studious? I mean, sure, your mother will tell you, be a studious person, read this thing, that thing, go to your studies. That's how your mothers are advising. Even teachers, we also advising you like this. Okay, we'll see. But this person is somewhat, we'll see. Okay, at the end of the poem. Okay. And I see him jump before me when I jumped into my bed one morning very early. So, this, according to this point, you know that this boy is having a certain problem. What is his problem? Because the shadow is always with this boy. So, because of that, one morning, he is not getting up early in the morning every day. One morning, very early, this boy is going to get up, right? Very early before the sun was up. Before the sun was up. Because why? According to your own opinion, what do you think? Why is this person is getting up early in the morning? He's going to see whether if this boy gets up early in the morning also, you can see the shadow. So he was so wondering about the shadow, right? Okay. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew. What do you mean by dew? Shall we see the picture dictionary? Okay, dew is not found. Okay, we'll move on to the translation word and see. Yes, it's simple terms in Sinhala Pini. Everybody knows drops, water drops. That is okay. That is dew. So the shining dew on the every buttercup. So buttercup. What do you mean by buttercup? We'll see the picture dictionary and see. Yes, this is a flower, right? So you can see these flowers. Actually, you know the fact that who is the name of the poet? That is R.L. Stevenson. So you, from the name, you know that this person is not coming from Sri Lanka or any other South Asian country. He's a Western poet. So because of that, this buttercup, the flower buttercup, can be seen in Western countries. It's a yellow color flower, right? Okay. My little lazy, my little, sorry, but my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead. Now he's telling the shadow is lazy. So, what can you say about this boy? Is this boy lazy? Yes, because he is getting up all the days. I think he's getting up not early in the morning, but late. Because of that only, he can see the shadow. We'll see. Like an errant sleepyhead. Now he's using the word errant also angrily. Sleeping head, because all the time this boy is sleeping, but today he has got up early in the morning and he's telling what? Like an errant sleepyhead had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Now, in this previous morning, can this boy see the shadow or not? What's your answer? Yes, definitely. He can't see the shadow because at the end, this person wants to clarify whether this shadow can be seen early in the morning as well, because he's getting up late every day. Because of that, he's going to do he's doing an experiment and see whether this person is there, this my shadow is there every day. So at the end he found that only what has happened, if you get up late only you can see the shadow. If you get up early in the morning with the morning dews, morning water drops, you can't see the shadow. So, is this poem is going to give you a good advice? Yes. What is it? As school children, as children of grade 8, I'm referring to this children of grade 8, what you have to do, you have to get up early in the morning as school kids. Okay, so that is the meaning of the lesson. Okay, now we are moving to the what you call questions. Okay, now look at the book. This is of course a task sheet, so this is for your homework. What I want to tell you, answer the following questions. Question number 1, what is the poem about? It's very easy. What it is, it's about shadow, right? Find the rhyming words. Okay. What do you mean by rhyming words? Can you please tell me what rhyming words are? Rhyming words means the words, of course, you don't need to worry about the meaning of rhyming words. Meaning, of course, we won't consider. Rhyming words means words, the same pronunciation, but the meaning can be differs. For example, they are giving you me. So me, now you have to tell me rhymes with what? Me rhymes with see. Okay, what is the next one? Head. For example, head rhymes with similar sounds but not the meanings. Head with bed. Okay, so those are the same sounds with different meanings. That is, we call as rhyming words. Okay, now we are moving to the third question. That is, which line says that both the writer and the shadow are alike? So that is, of course, very easy task. What you have to do, go through the poem and see what is the line. Okay, who jumps into the bed first? That is, of course, it's easy, so you can look at it and do it for homework. Where was the shadow when the writer woke up in the morning? So they have given you some answers also: in the garden, in the playground, in bed, at home. So you have to clarify it. Why does the writer call the shadow an errant sleepy head? Okay, why is it? Why is he calling? So see, an errant sleepy head means, although this boy is getting up very late other days, but today he has already got up early in the morning. Now he's telling an errant sleepy head. Actually, I'm asking a simple questions. What can you say about the boys? Boys are getting up early in the morning when you compare it with girls. I'm not referring to gender discrimination or anything. I just want to clarify these things, right? So actually, we all know that boys are getting up somewhat late, but I'm not criticizing anybody. But the problem is, as school children, you also have to get up early, right? So in this line, the boy has today, he has already get up and he's telling this errant sleepyhead. That means he was so angry with the sleepyhead. Who is sleeping today? The shadow is sleeping. So that is the answer for the sixth question. I have already given a simple solution for your sixth question. Okay, I think today my lesson regarding poem My Shadow is a good one for you. Okay, do it with you and recite it when you are free with this play action, and go to another. We will move on to another lesson another day. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.